What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dr. Fatal Facial here, and we're in downtown Summerlin, and I'm going to show you the do's and the don'ts of a barber. First and most important point is appointments. So if you're starting as a barber and you don't have appointments, don't worry about that. That's gonna come as long as you get anybody on your chair. Whoever walks in, make sure you take care of them, okay? And then you gotta start building that relationship. So then the follow-up, it'll be an appointment. Then that's when you start letting them know about Booksy. That's one of the platforms, right? There's GoPanache. Then there's many other ones, right? But you wanna first build the relationship. If you're starting, you want to make sure that you get whoever walks into the barbershop on your chair, give them that experience and why they want to come back to you. Why appointments are so crucial to barbers. Appointments are going to schedule your working time schedule. That's when you start being able to make your appointments at the time that you desire. If you have an 8, boom, you block out 30 minutes, an hour, and then you know you'll have your next client by the time you get back from your lunch. Because you got to make sure that you eat. If you're not happy, do you think your customer's going to be happy when you're tired? When you're thinking about eating, you're not going to be able to concentrate or give that person the same experience because you're going to be focusing on you eating. So that's very important for you to make sure that you take at least 15 minutes for yourself. By making appointments, you're going to be able to leverage many things, which is time. The next point is, why does barbershop matters? So no high-end client wants to go to your house. You know, that's an environment that's very personal. So set the tone and make the move to be at a barbershop. Why does establishing a client matters? So establishing a client matters because that's gonna be the next person that can become a future, if not an actual weekly client that's gonna be bringing you revenue every single week. Next point, why is it important to do high-end services? High-end services are gonna attract high-end clients. So that means when you do the hot towel, when you do the black mask, when you do the eyebrows, when you do the beard, shave, hot towel, cold towel, wash their hair, shampoo, that's gonna bring you more high-end clients because they're looking into feeling good. When you make a person feel good, that's gonna promote your own business, your own self as a barber, and make you a high-end barber. But a couple things that you gotta keep in mind, whenever you're gonna get a high-end client, you cannot be wearing shorts, basketball shorts, tank tops. You wanna make sure you look very presentable for that person, right? Because they're looking at high-end service, right? So you don't be going to a barbershop and wanting to spend $100 when your barber doesn't look appropriate. This is no offense to nobody, but you wanna look very presentable. You always wanna stay on point. You always wanna look sharp. Why? Because most of the time, the high-end clients are gonna walk in there sharp. So next point, how do you ramp up your prices? As a starting barber, you cannot worry about that first. What you need to worry about is getting people on your chair and get recurring clients, recurring customers, right? So you need to do whatever it takes for you to be busy. Busy enough where you don't have time to eat, time to go take care of errands. That's when you're actually able to be ready for the next step, which is ramping up your prices. Doesn't matter what your prices are right now. Worry about first being busy. Once you're very busy, because you're good, because people talk about you, because people are recommending you, that's when you're starting to be able to ramp up your prices. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. This video is actually made so you can actually elevate on your barber industry, on your barber experience, on your barber career, and start making more money without taking any shortcuts. Because I'm actually making this video because I did the shortcuts, right? And I realized that they didn't work. So that's why I'm making this video. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and if you got any questions, drop it down below in the comment. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.